Hello. So a lot of people are asking about my reaction about yung sa aking puso Michigan tour. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Yan ang pinaka exciting and best production value na nakita ko in such a long time na parang gusto ko manood ulit ng concert. Kasi there's a lot of nostalgia, and a lot of romance and passion that they brought to the show, especially the younger crowd and also the older crowd that came together to watch this show. And the first performers that came out, like Garth and those young, beautiful, talented kids that were singing. And also, the sponsors were very supportive of this show. Like I said, congratulations to Ding Dong and Jessa because this is the first show na nakakita ako ng napakagandang outfit changes, napakagandang production value, and really an interaction with the audience. So, I give this concert a 10 out of 10. And I would say invite all your family, friends, your husband, wife, and everybody out there. Kasi this is one for the books talaga. I was very shocked. Napanganga ako. I was jumping for joy. And this is very amazing na makakita ng mga OPM artists coming to Michigan and also supporting other people as well. So parang napakaganda ng show na to. Promise. Sulit ang binayad ninyo. And with Ding Dong's performance of Rico J. Puno to Jessa singing another sad love song from Tony Braxton, grabe. Nashock ako. Sabi ko, wow. Amazing talaga. And then also with Garth Garcia, I noticed na he's really a head turner. So, I hope na makita ko siya sa next show niya. Like I said, I'd love to return for another concert to see Ding Dong and Jessa, to be honest. And it also correlated to their wedding anniversary. So congratulations. Like I said, I was very supportive enough to come out there on free will, to be honest. Kasi paragi akong busy eh. So like I said, congratulations to Prime 7. You really did it. And honestly, I enjoyed. Talagang ang saya ng feeling nung lumabas ako ng theater na parang, wow, okay. Something different for me as an audience member and a fan of OPM music. So, congratulations to Ding Dong and Jessa, Garth, and everybody from Prime 7, Dina,